Hey guys, so for this project, it's called Love Bites, and it's a really cool drawing of like a shark and things. So what you're gonna need for this one is just a piece of paper and some coloring supplies, and I would recommend starting out with a pencil, but I'm gonna draw with a black marker, that way you all can see, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a heart, okay? And it needs to be kind of big, or like, you know, the size of your fist. That's what it needs to be, okay? And I'm gonna add some cool little designs in mine because I messed up, and we can always turn our mistakes into something beautiful, right? So then, after that, I'm gonna draw a horizontal line kind of close to the bottom of my paper, okay? Then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up really close, kind of close, to my heart, and I'm going to come down. And this is going to be the inside of the shark's mouth. Okay? Then I'm going to come up really high, and I'm going to stop right here as well. Okay, then we can add in like eyeballs if we want to, and we can add in teeth. When I add in shark teeth, I like to make rounded teeth, and then I'll go in and I'll add spiky teeth in between each one. And remember, if yours doesn't look like mine, that's awesome, because the more diverse or different we can make these, the better they are, right? Okay, then I'm gonna go in and add spiky teeth behind. I don't know if you all know this or not, but sharks have layers and layers of teeth. That's why when you go to the beach or somewhere like that, you can find shark teeth all over the place. It's because sharks have tons and tons of teeth. Okay. Then on here somewhere, I didn't really leave enough room down here, but I think I'm going to write it up here. I'm going to write love, and then on this side I'm going to write bites. There we go. And then we can make the eyes of the shark however you want to. You can add in whatever details and color it however you want to, okay? So there's my Love Bites drawing.